If you have been looking for a way to create a PayPal account, search no more because in this video, I'm going to be guiding you through how you can successfully create your PayPal business account. So before I get started, if you are new to my channel, please kindly do well to hit the subscribe button and notification so that anytime I see a new video like this, you can be able to get notification for that. So before I dive in, let me just quickly show you the summary of my own PayPal account. You can see the cash flow and the money out. So I've been using this PayPal for some months now, and this PayPal is currently linked to my bank account, so I can easily withdraw from this PayPal and also spend with this PayPal. So I'm going to be showing you how you can be able to achieve this on your own account, how you can be able to link a US bank account and also a US card to it. So this is all you need to, all you are going to be learning on this video. Do sure you subscribe so that you can be able to receive all the updates that I'm going to be dropping on this particular video. So now for you to be able to create your PayPal account, I will be dropping this link in the description. So we are going to be going for the business account. The reason why I go for business account is more good, and if you want to enjoy PayPal, business account is just good. So more than the personal account. So now we need to go to once you come to this link here, just check the description. You are going to be seeing this link. So once you come to this link, then you are going to be redirected to this page, just exactly page like this. Then we need to click on sign up. So you click on sign up. So now we need to choose either personal or business. So make sure that you select business. So business, you just need to send money, receive money from friends and family. That's all. But business, you have a whole lot of features in this business aspect. So now we are going to be using business. Please make sure that your business is registered, but that is optional. So if you have your business registration number, this is going to be a thing for you. But let's just keep on going. So we select business, then we click get started. So if you are new setting up this business account, the first money you receive, or first or second money or third money you receive, is going to be on hold for like 21 days. So the more transaction you do, the more they reduce it. And when I set up my own, I think they hold my money for like 21 days. I think the two or three transaction that I did, it was hold for 21 days. But the more transaction I, and the more they limit it, they just decrease the numbers till once they send money to my account, they did not hold the money again. I can just use it to do whatever I want to do straight up. So now let's verify this I'm not a robot, just to prove to computer that you are not a robot, right? Alright, so once you have completed the recap, then in this slide you just need to input your name. So make sure you just use your first name. So just input your name. Use your first name, last name. Then you input an email that has not been used to create a PayPal account before. If possible, you can just create a new email, but just make sure that this email that you're about to use, you have not used it to create a PayPal account before. So let me just quickly input my email. So now we use a strong password and just use this one. So you can just, just copy your password in a safe place or something like that. So you may just make sure that you use a strong password and all that. So now, then we come to this country code. Then you can just choose your country. Just use your number. So I'm in Nigeria. Then I'm just going to be using my phone number. Just use it. So it does not matter. All right. So once you are filling your information, just check this agree, agree. Then you continue. Just click on agree and create account. So now you need to bypass this step again. So we just need to do some verification. So right now, once you have set up your account, you are going to be seeing this message. So now you just need to click on next. Yeah, give it some time for it to load. So and just go to home screen. So right, you can see that I need to confirm my email. Just send the confirmation email. Then let me quickly use my phone and confirm the email. Okay, so they have sent me the confirmation mail. So let me just quickly confirm this and you can see that I'm all set. And in the next page, you are going to see that my email is not confirmed successful. So in the next video, we are going to be showing you on how you can link your bank and credit card to your PayPal account. So if you find this video useful, please do well, click the subscribe button and turn on the notification. So see you in my next video, guys.